Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to filter cells with bold text in Excel. This is a trick that can be super useful when you're dealing with large datasets and need to quickly identify specific entries. Before we dive in, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit the like button below. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Okay, so you might be thinking, Excel doesn't have a built-in filter for bold text, right? And you're correct. But we can achieve this using a clever combination of formatting tricks and some formula magic. Here's what we'll cover. 1. Creating a helper column asterisk will add a column that tells us whether each cell is bold or not. 2. Using the get.cell function. For older Excel versions we'll use this classic, but slightly hidden function to identify bold cells. 3. Using VBA code. Alternative, for all versions we will provide VBA code so you can run the macro instead of use the get.cell function. 4. Filtering the data asterisk. Finally, we'll filter the data based on our new helper column. So, let's get started. Screen recording of Excel begins. First, let's create our helper column. Let's say our data is in column A, and we'll create our helper column in column B. Type bold check, or something similar in cell B1. Shows Excel sheet and types bold check in B1. Now, here comes the trick. For older versions of Excel, pre-Office 365, we can use the get.cell function. However, it's not directly available as a normal function. We need to define a named range. Go to the Formulas tab and click on Define Name. Shows the Formulas tab and clicks Define Name. In the Name field, type something like isBold. In the Refers to field, type the following formula, equals get.cell, 20A2. Shows the new name dialog box and types the name and formula. Important. The get.cell, 20A2 formula uses the get.cell function with code 20, which tells it to check the bold formatting of cell A2. We're starting with A2 because A1 has our header. Click OK.
Asterisk asterisk, click OK in the new name dialog box. Asterisk asterisk.
Now in cell B2, type equals isBold. Types equals isBold in cell B2. You should see either true or false depending on whether cell A2 is bold or not. Drag the fill handle, the little square at the bottom right of the cell, down to apply the formula to all the rows in your data.
Asterisk asterisk, dra the fill handle down, asterisk asterisk.
Now let's talk about the modern approach with VBA code in case the get.cell function does not work for you. First, open the Visual Basic Editor by pressing Alt plus F11. Opens the VBA editor. In the VBA editor, go to Insert Module. Inserts a new module. Now paste this code in there.
VBA.
Function is cellBold. Target as range, as Boolean.
Is cellBold égale target, .fond.bold.
End function.
Asterisk asterisk, paste the VBA code, asterisk asterisk. Close the VBA editor.
Now in cell B2 or the first cell of your helper column, type equals is cellBold, A2. Drag this formula down just like you did previously with the named range. Types the function to cell B2 and drags the formula down. Now that we have our bold check column, let's filter the data. Select your entire data range, including the header row. Selects the data range. Go to the Data tab and click on Filter. Goes to the Data tab and clicks Filter. Click on the filter arrow in cell B1, the bold check column. Clicks the filter arrow in cell B1. Uncheck false, or just check true if it's easier. This will show only the rows where the corresponding cell in column A is bold. Unchecks false in the filter menu. Click OK. Clicks OK in the filter menu. And there you have it. You've successfully filtered your data to show only the cells with bold text. Highlights the filtered data. To clear the filter, just click the filter arrow again and select all, then click OK. Clears the filter. So that's it for today's Rome tip on how to filter cells with bold text in Excel. I hope you found this helpful. Remember, like this video if you did, and subscribe to Rome Tips for more Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.